welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, I feel like it's been like, you know, a long time since I vlogged. Okay, I am not going on a hiatus. I am not doing anything crazy, just doing stuff for my business, and that is taking up a lot of my time, which I'm happy for. I don't have no problems with it, you know. And two, your girl just been finding herself really, and getting back working out, eating right, eating healthy. So yeah, that's all I've been doing. But you know, today, with my business being so good and all, I do want to experiment with something. So I want to take you guys on my experiment journey when I do like little things to experiment with, and how I experiment with them, making up new products and stuff like that. So with that being said, I just got up, so I'm about to like make up my bed and take you downstairs and watch what we gonna do. Okay. So I got my journal down here. So today I'm going to be experimenting with exfoliating facial scrubs and exfoliating scrubs for the body. I don't know, I just love making stuff for the body that's natural and healthy. And I've tried this exfoliating before, but but I use it on myself from time to time. So it's like I never really tried it with other people, gave it to other people. So this time, you know, I'm gonna just do a little something. I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. Well, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm putting in it, and then some oils. This right here is like my ingredient book, my research book of all the herbs, oils, natural properties, and I organized it in here. So like it's pretty thick. I had this for like 5 years now. had a little mini dance session. Okay. So yeah. I'm done with this exfoliating. Normally when I do it myself, normally when I do it myself, you know, I just put, I don't do measurements or anything, but since a lot of people have been requesting something like this, I wanted to like at least get a good measurement on everything, so that way when they do test it out and when they do try it out, I know what I used. I have a good memory, so I know it didn't look like I was I took 1/2 of sugar, 1/2 of a cup of coffee. Like, I know what I used. So yeah. So the way that I test this out is that I just give it to people. So I just let people try it. I let men and women try it. This one I want to kind of cater specifically to men who has like facial hair, so like when they shave, they can use this as an exfoliant on their skin. But like I said, anybody can use it. So yeah. So this is what it's looking like. And of course, you know, I'm gonna use one for myself because I don't really measure it out. So, you know, we're gonna see. And this one, I did put a lot of honey in it because I want it to stick. But other than that, yeah, I have like everything that I have testers. So but yeah, so that's what I did today, you guys.